welcome back. Today we are on part 2, which is where I do my favorite part, which is building the looks. So today we're going to walk through every outfit. We're going to figure out what makes the cut, what didn't make the cut, and the unnecessarily amount of time that goes into planning all of this. So let's do it. Okay, before I start pulling outfits, just a quick reminder of the rules. Rule number 1, everything I already had owned in my closet. Going on something really big happening here in a few weeks, I'm going to make certain that I have enough money there as possible. Rule number 2, comfortable. That's why I don't remember it. Everything has to be something that can make it on a 7-hour trip. After my knee surgery, things just seem to bother me more. I don't know if that happened to anyone else. It's just clothes just bother me more these days. So rule number 3, probably going to be the easiest for me on this trip, is limit of 3 shoes, most likely only 2. I kind of already know which ones I probably will eliminate, but we'll see. And then rule number 4, the hardest one for me to do, which is minimal accessories. I love all things shiny, all of that stuff. I love accessories. 3 pairs of earrings. This kills me. Maybe 1 necklace, a bracelet stack, and a ring stack. I kind of have a little set that I usually wear. We'll see. Alrighty, I already built this section, so let's go. These, maybe I'll walk you through the actual days. They're all kind of messed up. Day 1, 7-hour road trip. My favorite look, probably. If you've been here, you might recognize this look. All right, for the 7-hour road trip, my favorite blue Hawaiian shirt, red pants, red top, my white linen pants. So if you have been here before, this is actually aside from the red, the light blue is what I wore. This is actually the look I wore for my Elvis stitch day. Love it. Love it. So instead of doing all of like my guitar accessories and things like that, I would typically do 1 pair of earrings, 1 necklace. So I think my necklace is going to be my red Kinder Scott necklace. Looks like that. Let me hang this back up. Okay. Looks like that, right? Love that. 1 pair of earrings, gold hoops, maybe. It's a little more simple. Something, that's not going to really go with that, you know what I'm saying? And then these are kind of for my more days. All right, so road trip, 7 hours, love her. Absolutely love her. Here's the shoes. Option 1, red fake Adidas, right? Or option 2, my white leather Bionics. I love Bionics. It's the only one that the arch, I have an insanely hard arch, and it's the only ones that the arch actually fits my arch. So most likely these. I'll explain why in a second. All right, then the tote bag that I will be taking this time is the red seatbelt bag. I have had her for years. My best friend, who has since passed away, actually got this for me when I was doing this first road trip, when I was going to meet his parents at Christmas. So this bag means a lot. So she comes with us kind of frequently. To be honest, I kind of built the whole looks around the bag. So there's the bag. All right, outfit number 1. The next day, okay, we're there, road trip. Yeah, the next day, day 2. I'm thinking this one. Something really cute. So just a little white cream tank. My little gingham maxi skirt, slit, all the stuff. I like the little scarf. Typically, I will wrap my scarf on my bag, so we'll probably be doing that this trip. There we are. Okay, again, she's a spinning. Necklace. Definitely these earrings. Definitely. Okay, look 2. Oh, maybe these sunglasses. Possibly these. Really, I'm not trying to take a whole bunch of sunglasses, but it's hard. It really is hard for me. Okay, here we go. Look 2. Okay, look 3. A lot of things going on that day. On that day, we're probably going to have church that morning, and then a little bit of a 5-hour drive somewhere else. Kind of want to dressy for church, early, you know what I'm saying? Look nice for church, but then also be able to do the bigger trip. 2 possibilities. She's tangled. This is the one I'm leaning more towards. Just a little knit tank and a little light tan color. And then, I mean, check these pants out. Right? This is kind of what I'm leaning towards. Most likely this. Again, red necklace. I'm trying here, people. I'm really trying. Red necklace. Boom. And then earrings. Boop. Possibly gold hoops. Shoes. It definitely will not be the red Sambas. Either the white Bionic or the brown sandals. The brown sandals I will also probably wear with the gingham skirt, unless we're doing a whole lot of something, and then I might do the white Bionics. Okay. Last day, road trip back home. So for this day, a lot of sitting. I am leaning towards this right here. Sorry. Blue tank top, white little layered ruffled skirt, maxi skirt. Again, road trip. I usually do sneakers on the road trip. I can kick them on and off real easily because I usually don't wear shoes in the car. It's just royal. I can't get a line up necklace and earrings. Okay. Also, my crossbody. She'll go with all the little things. So that's that. Now, one last thing. Where I'm going, it is warmer. However, they usually keep all the air conditioning blasting and things like that. So I will either do my little Beth All light blue sweater, kind of goes with everything, or the white cable knit. No. The Mickey American. Isn't she cute? Look at that. All right, or the Mickey kind of white Americana. Kind of goes with everything as well. However, I'm kind of leaning more towards this one these days, which is weird. I'm normally all about this, but I'm kind of thinking maybe this. I don't know. Okay, so these are all the outfits making the trip. Next thing is to see if I can get them all to fit inside the suitcase. Carry on only. I think it'll be pretty easy this time. Happy planning, happy packing, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.